Luke and Kai here from Need Property, and here's what you need to know.
Positioned on 1,300 square metres of corner allotment, minutes from the city and amenity, this stunning Queenslander offers everything and more in your next family home.
It's our pleasure to introduce 57th Street Railway Estate.